Northern Development Action Committee held its first Sailing Challenge Cup. It was held in the community of Windward on the 17th and 18th of August. It began with an opening ceremony in which 5 boatmen from the community of Windward was honored for their contributions towards boat building and racing. The men honored are Ellis McLaren, Calvin Patrice, Horace Martino, Anthony Eno, and Alwin Eno. Following the opening, there was an open boat challenge race. The Sailing Challenge Cup climaxed with races in small deck and large and optimist categories, along with onshore activities. The objective of the Challenge Cup, according to chairperson of NDAC Terence McLaren, is to preserve and maintain the boat building and racing tradition. McLaren also notes the younger ones showed a lot of interest in the sailing.
Well, part of the objective of the group is to preserve and maintain our rich cultural heritage, which is boat building and, of course, racing. So we're trying to preserve and promote those 2 areas. One of the objectives of the weekend was to train our younger sailors and prospective boatmen. And we have done that. During the course of the week, we have trained them and they have shown a lot of interest. In fact, yesterday they had a race and today again they had a race. So we were able to train our young sailors.
Here are some results from some of the sailing races. Organizers says they're going to make the Challenge Cup an annual event.